Today's book is Polar Bear, What Do You Hear? By Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carle. Polar Bear, what do you hear? I hear a lion roaring in my ear. Polar bears like the cold weather. Do you see all the snowflakes? Lion, what do you hear? I hear a hippopotamus snorting in my ear. What does a lion say? A lion goes, roar. Hippopotamus, what do you hear? I hear a flamingo fluting in my ear. What color is the hippopotamus? That's right, it's blue. Flamingo, what do you hear? I hear a zebra braying in my ear. The flamingo is pink. Zebra, what do you hear? I hear a boa constrictor hissing in my ear. Boa constrictor, what do you hear? I hear an elephant trumpeting in my ear. That's a long snake. Elephant, what do you hear? I hear a leopard snarling in my ear. This is what an elephant sounds like. Leopard, what do you hear? I hear a peacock yelping in my ear. Peacock, what do you hear? I hear a walrus bellowing in my ear. The peacock has lots of big feathers. Walrus, what do you hear? I hear a zookeeper whistling in my ear. What color is the walrus? This walrus is purple. Zookeeper, what do you hear? I hear children. Growling like a polar bear, roaring like a lion, snorting like a hippopotamus, fluting like a flamingo, braying like a zebra, hissing like a boa constrictor, trumpeting like an elephant, snarling like a leopard, yelping like a peacock, bellowing like a walrus. That's what I hear. That's the end of the book. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe.